I changed one song on my Instagram profile for 11 minutes. That was it. No post, no caption, no little sad quote. 11 minutes.
And then Theo texted you the song.
Not the song title. That would have been clean. He texted the exact joke he used to make when it played in his car.
Start before that, because right now it sounds like you wanted to catch him.
I did not want to catch him. I wanted to stop feeling crazy. Theo and I were that almost relationship that never got a title, but somehow took up 3 months. Hinge, then coffee, then these late drives where he would play Fleetwood Mac like he was in a breakup movie he had not earned yet.
And then he asked for space.
He sent the classic message. I like you, but I am not in the right place. I do not want to hurt you. Which apparently means, give me 2 weeks and I will hard launch a girl named Paige at a taco place.
Brutal.
I muted him. I did not block him because I am weak in very specific ways, but I stopped watching. Then, one Tuesday night, I posted the most boring story possible. Just iced coffee on my desk. No face, no outfit, no bait.
But you changed your profile music.
For 11 minutes. I set it to Silver Springs because that was our car song. Then I felt pathetic and removed it. The story stayed up. The song did not.
Who viewed the story?
That is the part that made my stomach drop. Theo did not show up. No like, no reply, nothing. But Paige viewed it at 9:17. The song was live from 9:08 to 9:19.
Paige could have just watched the story. That does not mean she opened your profile.
Exactly. I told myself that. I said, Mara, do not build a courtroom out of one timestamp. Then, at 9:51, Theo texted me. Fleetwood Mac is dramatic for a Tuesday.
He did not mention the coffee.
No, he mentioned the band. The band that was only on my profile for 11 minutes while his girlfriend was in my story views.
Still not proof.
I know. And that is the annoying part. It was not proof. It was a pattern trying to become proof. So I waited 2 days and did one more test. Because apparently, healing is not always elegant.
What did you change?
I changed the profile music to Dreams. Different song, same era, same memory. This time, I left it up for 8 minutes. I posted a story of my hallway mirror at 10:04. Paige viewed it at 10:09. I removed the song at 10:12.
And Theo?
At 10:38, he texted, "You are really in your 70s divorce soundtrack era."
That is too specific to feel random.
Right. But it still did not tell me the thing I wanted it to tell me. It did not tell me he missed me. It did not tell me Paige opened my profile and handed him the phone. It did not tell me he wanted me back. It only told me my profile was not as invisible to him as his silence made it seem.
That is the safer read. Public signals can show timing, they cannot hand you motive.
And that is where Synapse AI made the whole thing less emotional for me. Not because it told me who secretly viewed my profile. It cannot do that. Instagram does not give you a clean, hidden profile view list.
So what did it help with?
It helped me separate the pieces. Story viewer timing. Repeat visitors. Story to profile jumps. The tiny windows where a profile detail was visible. The gap between Paige appearing and Theo texting. It turned the mess in my head into a timeline.
And once it was a timeline, it stopped being a fantasy.
Exactly. The pattern said he was paying attention around the edges. But attention is not repair. Attention is not an apology. Attention is not choosing me.
Did you answer him?
Once. I wrote, "If you want to talk, talk to me directly. If you want to monitor little clues and make jokes, please leave me alone.
What did he say?
Nothing. And weirdly, that was the answer. The pattern was loud, but the person was not brave.
That is the part people miss. A signal can be real and still not be enough.
Yes. So I stopped changing songs for him. I left one song on my profile the next day because I liked it, not because I wanted to see who would flinch.
That is probably the cleanest ending.
If you want to read the quieter pattern layer behind your IG profile signals, explore Synapse AI.